Hello, everybody. It's LW coming to you from down here in Decatur, Georgia. Just bought one of the new Power air fryer, and I'm gonna try to eat a little healthier, a little bit more concerned about my health lately. So, doing the appropriate measures to get my health right. So today, I'm gonna fry some chicken with the Power air fryer. So I'm gonna do some with flour, and I'm gonna do some without flour. So I pre-season my chicken when I first buy it. So I can't give you my secret recipes to my seasoning, but I'm sure everybody has their own anyway. So you can put your dry seasoning together and season your chicken pre or during the process of frying it. So only thing I'm using, my pre-seasoned chicken. Today I'm going to do thighs and legs, some all-purpose flour, AP, and some olive oil, 100% pure olive oil. Those are my ingredients for today, and let's get this puppy started. So I like to use the gloves because chicken, although very good to eat, can cause many problems if you go around touching things with chicken juice all over your hands. So gloves on. Gonna open up my fryer. As you can see, it comes with a divider, so if you want to do two type food. Comes with a cake pan also. Everything is non-stick. And of course, it comes with the fryer dish itself. So today, I don't think I'm gonna be dividing any food. I'm just gonna put everything in there and have at it. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna get my AP and my chicken and marry them. Hope you guys can see me as I'm doing it. Hope nothing is impeding the view. So I'm gonna do two thighs and two legs with the flour. Two thighs and two legs without the flour. Just gonna dredge it in here real good. Some people like to use buttermilk and egg. I don't choose to do it. The seasonings that I use, they're pretty good. Gives a good flavor. So as you can see, chicken is dredged in flour. Now, it calls for 3 thighs and 3 legs when you're reading the instruction on the Power air fryer. So this time, I'm gonna not follow the instructions. I'm gonna put 4 and 4. Let's see how that works out for me. Hopefully the chicken will shrink a little. All right. So as you can see, I have 4 with flour, 4 without flour. Let's put these bad boys in there. Okay, this is pretty much simple to operate. You turn your power button on, you go to your menu, and it toggles through where you want to go. French fries 400 degrees, lamb or steak 25, shrimp 8 minutes 330, cakes and pies 310 degrees, and of course I'm going to do chicken. So there we go. It says every 5 minutes you're supposed to come back and turn the chicken, flip it, turn it, whichever you choose to call it. So it is now 12:01, so 12:06 I'll be coming back to flip it.